Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a new road on Google Maps. Start by opening your web browser on your device. Search for Google Maps and click on the official Google Maps website. Once the Google Maps website, click on the Layers button and select Satellite View to get a clearer picture of the area. Now you can either select the location directly from the map or use the search bar to find the desired location. Once you have located the area where you want to add the new road, click on Add a Missing Place to Google Maps. Enter the name of the place or road you want to add, and then select the appropriate category. You can also explore more categories if needed. After selecting the category, provide the address for the new road. You can also edit the map location if necessary. Once you have filled in the required details, click on Submit. Now, your new road will be added to Google Maps, and you will be able to see it when you view the area on the map. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.